Go!
Hello, my name is James. I would like to explain about my favorite sport. My favorite sport is baseball because it is fun and it can make healthy. To begin with, it is fun. I want to be a pitcher in baseball. The pitcher throws many kinds of balls. There are screw, slider, curve, H-fast, knuckle, fork, changeup, fast, circle changeup. Curve is spin toward the southwest. H-fast is 30 out slow, finishes fast. Starts out high and finishes low. It's good for my healthy. If I play baseball, then my bicep muscle can be developed. For example, while swinging the bat, big heavy rings attached to it which makes it very heavy. In conclusion, it is very fantastic. Try throwing a changeup when playing baseball. It's great. Thank you for listening.